mention my name. How lovely to see you all, especially you and you. You have been particularly good this year.
Have I been good too?
Of course you have, Billy. So much so, I want you and Bonnie and all the children and grown-ups to help me do some magic.
Magic?
Yes, magic. You see, I've come to light the Christmas tree.
What do you want us to do then?
I have a magic spell, and I need everyone's help to see it. Do you think you can help the audience? You were so loud. Now, I want you to say just as loudly the first line of my magic spell. Right, let's practice.
Join in, everyone.
Repeat after me. Christmas sparkles everywhere.
Christmas sparkles everywhere.
Over here and over there.
Over here and over there.
Now put them together.
Christmas sparkles everywhere. Over here and over there.
That is marvelous. Now, you say your part of the spell, and I'll say mine, and we'll see if together we can light the Christmas tree.
Get ready, everyone. Up to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Christmas sparkles everywhere. Over here and over there.
Christmas sparkles for you and me. Spread the sparkles over the tree. Ho, 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 ho.
Magic really works. Father Christmas? Father Christmas?
Yes, Billy.
I made a weather bot, turnstiles, splosh, rain, press buttons, whoosh, fog, weather bot, kaput.
Calm down, Billy. Are you trying to tell me about your snowstorm?
How did you know?
I know everything. You don't need a machine to create a snowstorm. I can conjure up a snowstorm for you. But once again, I'm going to need everyone's help. What we need to do is fill the air with the spirit of Christmas.
How do we do that?
By all singing together.
Join in, everyone. The words are on the screen. Only just begun. I've been hanging up a stocking on your wall. It's the time that every Santa has a ball. Does he ride the red-nosed reindeer? Does he clown upon his sleigh? Do the fairies keep him sober for a day? Come on, everyone! So here it is, Merry Christmas. Everybody's having fun. Look to the future now, though we just begun. So here it is, Merry Christmas. Everybody's having fun. Look to the future now, it's only just begun. It's just begun. Merry Christmas!
Well done, everyone. That's perfect. That's just the right amount of Christmas spirit for Billy's snowstorm to take place. Now for some more magic. Christmas spirit everywhere. Over here and over there. Christmas spirit filled with love. Let Billy's snowstorm fall from above. It's time for the countdown for the snowstorm. Everyone, join in. 5, 4,